Hello and welcome. Hey, it's Andrew here once again. Currently in a live trade. This is working out really nice. And we'll just kind of run through it a little bit how I got set up here. This is actually pretty much a perfect setup. Had our signal right here on this candle. And we got in the market. Had a buy. And using 3 contracts, I've already exited with 2 contracts profit. Had our stop down here, and that was about a 30 pip risk, so we exited right around 30 pips. And then I've just kind of set a target up here at the one of the recent highs, and we're going to see what happens. I'm just going to kind of trail behind this using the 40, which the 40 hasn't crossed over our entry yet, so I've just got locked in a few pips. I might just go ahead and make it a few more, and then we'll wait for this 40 just to kind of come up, and we'll see where we go. Being it's kind of a volatile market, I just went ahead and set a target about 75 pips for this last contract, and that's kind of how I'm trading it. So again, with the original rules, I had my on the once the signal was activated, the MACD was lined up to just crossing the signal line here on the 5-minute chart. Let me go back. Let's see if we can focus in on this. Right here, you can barely see it was just crossing. Right there. It's just crossing the signal line. The volume lines are just crossing the signal line, and the stochastic was just above the 50%. And then the most important was on the hourly. On the hourly, we have a perfect, at the time of the signal, it was just starting to pass over the 50% line on the stochastic. Right here. It was coming up from being oversold. It was just a perfect setup. So we entered the market. It moved against us a little bit, testing our patience here. It came back down, it moved up in a profit and then came back down, and that's the hardest part about trading, is just staying in the trade. You know, we were looking at a 30 pip loss there. It's not fun when that happens, so you have to just kind of bite it and hang in there. Once you get confident with trading the strategy or any strategy, you know that your losses typically are not going to be as many as your gains, so you're willing to hang in there and see how it goes. So that is pretty much it. I'll probably pause the video here in a moment. We'll just kind of see how this plays out. It's an awesome move. I'm in the Euro Canadian on the 5-minute chart, and we're just gonna have to wait it out and see what happens. Um, and the good thing is we've already locked in some profits, and now we're just waiting to see where this takes us. Alrighty, I hope this is all helpful, and we'll pause the video and we'll come back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. We're on the move again here, so I just kind of wanted to see if we can catch it taking us out. We're just passing the smaller high over here from from the past, and trying to stretch on out up there and see if we can't grab the 75 pips. Still haven't really gotten to the point where I can start trailing the 40. I'm already locked in just a little bit of profit down here, about 10 pips on this one contract that I have left. Typically, I think I would just trail that 40 until it stops me out, but in this case, because I have a recent high that was pretty far away, I went ahead and set a target on it for, it's a good additional pip. So, well, it didn't look like I thought maybe it would jump right up there and take us out, but it looks like it's going to just kind of wait a little bit more, and or possibly reverse from there. So we'll see what happens. And I'll pause the video again and we'll come back. I'll talk to you again soon. It's pressing its way back up there, still on that same candle. See if we can possibly, might just take it out if it kind of holds. It's only like 4 pips away. Here we go. Nope, almost. I think I'm probably just going to go ahead and close it right about there. I'll wait and see what happens. Yeah, still moving. Still moving. Looks like it's going to take us out. There it goes. Alright. Another awesome trade. This is just great. I recommend you check out my training videos. Give you a little example here today as the setup that I'm looking for. And you don't have to trade it like this with the 3 contract deal where we just, I'm buying 3, setting my target. In this case it was 30 pips. At 30 pips, exiting 2 contracts and leaving 1 behind. In this case I set a target on it. Typically I'd recommend just trailing the 40 period moving average and follow it on up. Being it's kind of volatile, and in this situation I had another recent high. It wasn't extremely far away. It looked far away. And I was kind of really doubtful that it was actually going to hit it as soon as it just did. But that's the great thing. Sometimes you get surprised. Sometimes it'll just take you out. But I extended my gains by about 45 pips on that last contract instead of exiting. So either way, I'm finding out it seems to be still profitable. You could have exited all 3 contracts at 30 pips. Same ratio, 1-to-1, risking 30, gaining 30. And or you can exit 2 contracts and let one go. So that's I think pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Have a great trading day.